Welcome viewers. Here I am with my new video, and in this video I am going to solve question number 22. First of all, let's read what is given in question 22. A shopkeeper sells a table at 8% profit and a chair at 10% discount. Okay. Thereby getting rupees 1008. Okay. On selling he got this amount. If he has sold the table at 10% in place of 8% profit, if he has sold at 10% profit that table, and in place of discount 10% on chair, if he has given or she has given 8% discount on the chair, he would have got rupees 20 more. It means 1008 plus 20, that is 1028 more, not more, 1028 rupees on selling both the item. Find the CP, cost price of the table, and list price of the chair. So let's see how I have solved the sum. First of all, we'll assume that let cost price of one table is equals to rupees x and cost price of one chair is equals to rupees y. Now, according to the question, what I have framed, condition 1, because there are two conditions for two linear equations. Profit percent on table was 8%. In first case, profit percent on table was 8% and discount percent on chair was 10%. So, what was the selling price of table? Naturally, this is cost price plus profit. Cost price was x and profit is what? 8% profit of x. So I have written x plus 8x upon 100. We have taken LCM 100, so it is 100x plus 8x. When we calculated all, after all calculation, we got 27x by 25. Okay. And what is the selling price of chair? Sorry, because he has given discount, so I have written cost price minus discount. And what was the cost price of chair? That was y minus 10% of y, because 10% discount was there. So it is y minus 10y upon 100, 0 0 cancelled. So LCM 10 I have taken, so 10y minus y, that is 9y upon 10. It means in first case he sold one table at this price and he sold one chair at this price. And what amount he got on selling both the item? I have written 27x by 25 plus 9y upon 10 is equals to 1008, according to the question statement also written here, so that you may understand easily. As selling price of table plus selling price of chair is equals to 1008. This is our equation 1. Okay. Now this is our first linear equation. For second linear equation, we will see condition 2. Then our question said that if profit percent on table will be 10% in place of 8, if he has taken or she has taken 10% profit on table and discount if he has given 8%, then what is the selling price of table? That will be CP plus 10% of x, so it is 11x by 10. And selling price of chair will be what? CP minus discount, because you know that if there is profit you have to add that profit, if there is loss you have to subtract that amount with your CP, or discount also subtracted with the CP or list price. Okay, both the thing you may write list price according to the question, same concept in both the situation. So y minus 8 upon 100 into y, and when we have calculated it, we got that it is equals to 23y upon 25. Simple calculation, children. 4 2 8, 425 100. So here is 2y upon 25. 25 is LCM. Here is 25y minus 2y. So it is 23y upon 25. Now when he sold both the items, if he sold both the items, one table and one chair, he got 20 rupees more. So I have written 1008 plus 20, and here written SP of table plus SP of chair. What was the SP of table? 11x upon 10 plus 23y upon 25 is equals to 1028. Then we have taken LCM 250, 275x plus 230y is equals to 1028. So 275x plus 230y cross multiplication, and from both the numbers we have taken 5 as common, taken out. So inside the bracket, see 5 5 25, 5 5 25x, and 5 4 20, and 5 6 30. So 46y is equals to 1028, 250, and then 5 will come here by cross multiplication. We reduce it. Overall we got 55x plus 46y is equal to 51,400 rupees. It is not rupees, this is equation, we can't say rupees. Okay, so equation number 3. Now we are having proper equation. As we have calculated this equation, similarly we will calculate this equation to frame it in this way. So I have copied that equation and taken LCM, then this LCM cross multiplied, then something is common, 9 is common inside the bracket, this thing remain, then we can cut 1008 by 9, so by 112. Again we have seen that out of these number we can take 5 as common, 5 as again cut 250, as 550 is 250. So overall we get 6x plus 5y is equals to 5600. Now we are having two equations, proper linear equation. So I have written what I have written. First of all, I have seen that here is 6x plus 5y and there is 55x and 46y. So I have decided to reduce x terms. So in that equation we will multiply by 6 and in this equation we will multiply by 5. 55, not 5, 55. So I have written the same thing here. Copied the equation. First equation multiplied by 6, second equation multiplied by 55 because we want to eliminate this number. So after multiplication we got this equation and we subtracted. So we have mentioned it here, subtracting equation 6 by 5. So I have written cancelled. When we subtracted, y is equals to 400. Now substituting the value of y in equation 4, we copied the equation, used the value of y and got this answer that x is equals to 600. So this is what x is, what cost price of chair, x is cost price of table and y is list price or cost price of chair. That is your answer. So at the end you will mention in this way and here your answer is over. Thank you children.